Hi everyone, welcome to my day trading recap video. Now I do a day trading recap every single day. I do not just handpick my winning day and post it up here. So if you like the full transparency of every single trade that I place and want to follow my journey, make sure you click the subscribe button and see you in the trade. So up 2,260 bucks today on this account. Did not trade in this account at all. Nothing was really moving. The only thing was moving is what is it called? This ticker right here, XTNT, pre-market, and after that it's just tank. And yeah, nothing much moving. So I call a day after 30 minutes a trade, and I play some game and just jump back in a little bit trying to trade on AHT, and I call it a day. So basically trade only like 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, and pretty good gain for a slow day. I traded perfectly, did not have one loss today. Let's go over the trade. Gotta show you guys this real count, every single thing. Turn on privacy. Bracket. Right now, let's do it. Let's go over the trade. So let's XTNT, right? I was like, oh man, this is the only freaking ticker gap up this morning, and I'm not a fan of a ticker under $2, as I know. Is super duper hard to fill, and when you get filled, most likely it can tank even farther. So yes, it's super duper hard to fill. So what I did, how do I get the volume graph? No, not one. Okay, so you can see the volume. So it's not even much volume there in pre-market, even around here. So nothing even to buy. I think volume started coming back in around this level. I tried to buy the dip, only feel 84 shares. So oh man, see, I got in at the bottom, and I tried to get in here around here as well, but it would not feel me. It's super duper hard to feel, like I said. I try to get around here too. And I'm not even trying to get a lot of share. I just try to get 3,000 share until here. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get in the bottom, just try to get in the middle. So I got in the middle at 193. Oh, actually it's at the very bottom. For some reason I got feel full size. And I only do 3,000 share, not even much at all. I think I try to buy around here too. This one right here is so fast, so I cannot buy it. I tried to buy it here, did not feel. Super duper hard to feel. That's why I hate trading ticker under $2. And without volume, at least when the market open, at least it's a little bit more volatile and able to see it, right? So traded some right here, bought some right here, and it's not much range, so I was not able to make a lot with 3,000 share. I think overall pre-market I was up like 160 bucks on it pre-market. What is it called? I was like, oh, and it's really hard to sell, because look at this, it bounced 2 cents. Okay, so I cannot gain much from that, you know, even though it seemed like I trade a lot, but not until here. This I make 1K after 2 minutes. This 2 minutes right here may give me 1K. I was patient, okay, I was pretty patient. You can see XTNT. Okay, so I can show you guys. So not look like clutter. So right here, right? It pulled back down. If I'm impatient, I would buy at the pullback right here. But this time I get super patient, and I got in at what is it? 221, which is like close to bottom ticket. So 221 is right here, and I feel 5,000 share. And I sell it for pretty quick. And after that, I know that, okay. And after that, I think I bottom ticket again. No, but I only feel, okay, it whipped back down, but then it bounced back up. Then I try to get in, but it would not feel me. It only feel me 900 shares, something right here. And I sold it for a quick time. And as you guys can see, this right here is not total 5,000 shares. So I may get filled at 222, and I add on 1,000 share each. I remember now. I only tried 3,000 share. I add 1,000 and another 1,000. Maximum 5,000 share. That's why you see me right here, right? 221. So it's pretty close to the bottom, but not exactly. That's why you see the odd number right here too. And I did not sell. How do I explain this? And I did not, every time I buy, I sell, I buy, I sell, I buy or sell within the same darn candle. I did not just buy and sell all at once and wait for the next candle. No, I buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell so many times within the same candle. That's why this one right here is 6,000 share. But really, I do 3,000 because the thing is I see very negative momentum. So I know I would not catch the bottoms. I do 3,000 share. I sell a little bit, 2,000, and I buy another 3,000. I sell a little bit. Like basically, what I'm doing is like recycling my share, and able to make pretty good profits. So after this 4 minutes right here, I was up around $1,000, and after that, I was tried to buy it too around here, but it would not fill me. I tried to buy a lot on this candle right here because after this big dip right here, it doesn't look much, but it actually a lot. And this is quite a bit of range for $2. Okay, not as much range that we see crazy before, but this is pretty decent range. Okay, 202 to 250. That's 50-cent range for $2 stock. Where yesterday the $4 stock is only 10-cent range. So yeah, the range gets smaller, of course, but that's where you make the most money because it's more volatile. That means more chance for you, more weak and up and down for you to have errors and for you to make. So if you know how to play it properly, first few minutes can be very profitable, or you can lose something. So yeah, you just gotta play it right and be patient. So which I did today because I got burned so many times before where I tried to buy minor pullback. Especially on the first few candle. First few candle is so volatile, you do not want to buy minor pullback. So yes, that's the tips right there for today. So yeah, I was trading pretty well right here. After the big pullback already, I do not care about the micro pullback and I buy another and sell, buy another, sell. Basically, I buy and sell like 4 times within one candle. That's why you see right here, right? 1, 2, 3, buy 3 level. Okay, I did not know how to say. Look at this. It did not show us 1. It showed us 1, 2, 3. So that means I buy 3 times within this one candle. Or maybe not. I don't know because only 930 shares. I don't recall. I do have a video of it. I was like, oh, today price action is pretty interesting for this ticker. I did record myself trading after right here. Around right here, I recorded because somebody asked me to go over the level 2 and what to look for in level 2. So I record a little bit just in case I decide to make a video about level this week. But yes, that's basically that is it. Big dip right here, big dip right here. And after it's around here, it's like, okay, second time hanging around VWAP now. If I had to be careful now because there could be a washout anytime and I would give back my gain. And it exactly patiently, I was patiently waiting for the big dip. And it's come, okay? 189. Okay, 189. Look at my average. 189. Look at that. And guess how far it's dipped to? 188. Okay, and you guys probably asked me like why am I so much share right here? It's not I averaging. If I averaging, I would not have an average of 189.99, okay? It's me buying around here and sell. No, I think it's the 2 crack. After the 2 crack, I buy and I sell like again. I buy 3,000 share or something like that. I sell a couple thousand, so like the motion I told you yesterday, right? Sell the ladders. Where the damn level? Active trader. So like I told you guys yesterday about the ladder, so it was doing this kind of dance. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So I was able to optimize on it while it doing that kind of dance. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's a strong momentum downward, but they keep going up and down, up and down. So I was able to optimize on it. It get down to 192. I think that's where I buy it or something like that. Then it bounced back up. Then I sell it. Then it get back down to 191. I buy it again. Then I sell it. Then it get back down to 190 and I buy it again. Then I sell it. That's what I did the whole time. That's why it's 8,000 share. Not I accumulate 8,000 share all at once. You guys gotta understand that. I had to sell some before I buy it. Even though 8,000 share is just a small size compared to my previous size before, but I've been chicken lately. Like I say, I'm just play safe in this kind of slow market. I'm wait until we got a super strong market where I feel comfortable and just keep on adding on my size. I'm still not comfortable yet. Yeah. I keep mentioning, I'm very chicken. But yeah, so that's again, then it dipped down a little bit farther, then I buy again, right? How many share? 3,000 share. This, maybe I'd not buy all at once because this is such an odd number for me to buy. Maybe I try to buy it. Oh yeah. I try by 3,000 share and I click on the 500 button. Not on this laptop. I was using a desktop upstairs. And I was buying another 500. That's why. But yeah, that's how you guys see me it. And making a new low, then I buy it again, just in the new low. Look at this. Every red candle, I'm in. Every red candle, I'm in. I'm out. I'm in. I'm out. I'm in. I'm out. Every single candle, basically. And until this is where I stop. Oh, maybe I stop because maybe I take a look away of watching some League of Legends. Maybe that's why I did not buy this dip, but normally would buy this. And like right here, another new low, I'm in. Another new low, I'm in. And now it's just chilling around here, chilling around. I'm not buying anymore. Volume is dead. That's why I say I stopped trading, because the volume is dead. The volume is literally dead. And when it hang around like here, a little bit risky. I could have buy pullback right here, but I lost interest in it, especially for one under $2 stock. Like I say, where is around $1 something. Only moved a couple cents. Now I'm only in it for 3,000 share, and it's only moved like 3 or 4 cents. And I had to catch it perfectly. And I mean, I'm only making 60 bucks, and there's much more risk when it flushed out, like this one right here. Then it's not worth it, right? It's not worth it at that point anymore. So I was like, okay, let's call a day, because on a slow day like this, like 2 days ago, I gave back some money on a slow day, and and it was not happy. I was around 2K, and I would give it back, and I only up by 1K that day. So I was like, okay, it's just better call a day. 30 minutes of trading for 2,000 something is not bad. It's actually pretty good, but can't complain about that. But that is it for today. I may make a video later today, go over some lesson with you guys. And the next weekend, I'm excited because I'm able to travel for first time to Florida just to test out my, it's travel with the family, but I'm going to trade while traveling. So I want to test out my travel setup with my laptop and that. So I will have an update for you guys on that. And honestly, you guys, this, somebody mentioned to me like about this, why I'm posting this video and not teaching you guys anything. This video, right, weekly video, is just a quick video for me to post my track record. For me, myself later, to show you guys that I'm credible and every single thing like that. And for me to keep track of myself. It's not, I know you guys probably not going to learn a lot from this, but probably you guys get some motivation that you could be able to be consistently profitable every single day if you place your trade right. And I've been consistently profitable for, I mean, I hasn't had losing day for, knock on some wood, but 6 weeks, right? And my losing days, last losing day is not even that bad. It's like $600 last losing day, because I've been playing very careful, especially in the slow market. I was not reckless like how I was in the bull market of penny stock, because during the bull market of penny stock, right? What is it called? During the bull market of penny stock, it's much easier forgivable. I can lose 600 in one trade. I can lose 1,000 in one trade. Someday, I was down 2,000 within 30 minutes at 10:30. By 10:30, I was down 2,000. But guess what? By the end of the day, I was up 4K. So it's so easy to get back because the momentum was there the whole day. It's okay to make mistake. It's okay to take trade that's not in your favor. But right now, if I lost one trade, 1K, if I have a 1K lost trade, it's going to be super duper hard for me to gain it back. That's why I have to be super duper careful and more picky about my setup, because there's not much range, momentum, and every single thing for me to optimize or make back if I make one mistake. And which today, I did not make any mistake at all. I think I win on every single trade today. Today is like 100% accuracy day. I know it seemed like impossible, since especially when I trade this much, right? People think that I'm lying about like 100% accuracy, but honestly, I did have 100% accuracy today because I'm scalping. I'm not looking for big move. But yeah, I don't know how to prove you guys like I'm 100% accuracy today, but I did. Okay, not lying. Oh, okay. DPW, right? Man, I'm so mad at myself. I borrow freaking share to short right here. Then it's tank already. Like shit, it cost me $30 to borrow 2,000 share, and you tank already. So I try to buy the dip, only feel 500 share at the bottom, sell it, and buy another thing. But overall, I gain like $148 on this ticker, so it's not bad. I guess it paid for the borrow share. Then I was thinking short up here too, but it's like no, we're shorting, right? If it not 100%. Because shorting is so risky, right? So if it's not 100%, like, okay, so with shorting, I'm thinking like, if there's money on the ground for me to pick it up, then I short it. But if it's not on the ground for me to pick it up, I'm not gonna short it, because the thing is, first, I'm a newbie shorter. Second, it's not my, okay, same thing, but it's not my specialty at shorting. And what is it? And third is, if you make a wrong mistake and be stubborn with shorting, you can blow up your account. Most people do not blow up their account from buying dips. Most people blew up their account from shorting stock, because buy dip, right? Okay, it could drop 30%, but yeah, you still, as long as you don't go like your full account size, which I never do, right? My account is 100-something thousand, but most of my trade is between 10K, 20K. So the maximum I can lose is, okay, let's say the stock dropped 50%. Okay, the worst day I could have is about 5K, right? Which it is about 5K. I think the worst day I have was on 4K, which is that day I was revenge trading. I would go against my thing. I was up that day. I was up about like 5K. And at the end of the day, I was shorting the stock. That's the thing. I was shorting the stock. And I lost 3K shorting stocks, only up 2K. Then it's like revenge dip buying. And at the end, I lost 4K. That day was not. That's my biggest lose. And yeah, but beside that, it's so hard to lose completely dip buying compared to shorting. Today is just a mumble day, right? So that's why even this pop back right here, and I'm thinking about shorting. I was about to do like, okay, I'll try 500 share, add another here, add another 500. But then it's like, what am I risking? I don't even know what am I risking. So it's like, okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm not. So just stick with my bread and butter. I'm not trying to forcing trade, right? And a lot of traders say, trade. I think Greg S, one of my favorite penny stock trader, that trade like there's money lay on the ground. You are just there to pick it up, right? Basically, that's what I'm doing. Like, I'm just there when money laying on the ground and picking it up. I'm selling it away. I did not know how you announce it. But yeah, that is it for today, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. And yeah, probably make some video for this week, okay? Have a great day. See you. Ready.